last time, you know, you got a little action.
The last time I got a little action, 3 years ago.
What?
Yeah.
Welcome to the DuttyBerryShow's coverage of Sting 2022.
Duttyberry here with Sita D Lyrical Diva. How you feeling?
Great.
No, you can't just say great. You're supposed to feel splendid, magnificent, because the way how you deal with the stage a while ago, I'm surprised it's still there standing.
Yeah. But that was the plan, you know. I came here to destroy the place.
Yo, listen. I literally, today before I headed here, I saw your interview on The Fix.
Yeah.
And when I say, oh, the girl here talks so confident, oh, the girl here talks so strong. Because me like, this girl from St. Vincent and the Grenadines. I said, no, man, it's either she in our fantasy world or she really is about that life. And trust me, no man, you take a say a chat and you have all of the evidence and the talent for back it up.
Yeah, man, of course. And funny enough, you know, in my country, a lot of people thought that I was crazy because I've been doing dancehall music for a while now.
Yeah.
And when I said I'm gonna be able to perform on Sting one day, me say one day me have to reach on Sting. Everybody thought I was crazy. So you thinking that I was in a fantasy world is not.
No man, like no man. That I think on the same interview you said you've been doing this for quite a while.
Yeah.
And it's very evident that that was not a newbie amateur performance.
Okay.
That come like a years you have vision into the vision board.
Of course.
And now this was just the destiny fulfilled.
Yes, man, of course, of course.
All right, so what do you have planned for this phase of your career? Because apparently you will be kind of trying to stay in Jamaica for a bit to really get the work and get your name out there.
Well, big up Nuffy, let me first of all, let me say that, big up Nuffy.
Yeah.
I started promoting myself by putting up freestyles on social media, and Nuffy was the one who really took me up and said, yeah, I'm going to really run with the artist.
Big up Nuffy for that.
Big up Nuffy. So Nuffy and I are going to be working together and determine where we go from here. Right. So
no, while on the stage you did mention about if anybody wants to run in and run up on you, like, you know, they can do that. Speaking of a particular Amari. So you said that you have the smoke if Amari wanted to try to test the fire?
Yeah, but that would not be a test though. That's an easy walkover for me. That would not be a test.
You feel like Queenie might be a little bit more competition?
If we're talking.
Oh, okay. If it was like a tracing match, you're saying?
Yeah, no, not even tracing, if we're talking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
like if we're having a conversation, she might beat me, but when it comes to lyrics,
No, between me and your Sita, do you think that you're better than probably like a good 70% of the dancehall artists in Jamaica right now?
I want to go that far and say that I'm better than...
Yeah, but the female dancehall artists right now, you feel like you could have got, you know...
I feel like I could clash them and win, let me put it
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's any one of them?
Any one of them, anybody.
Yes, from Pump Potato Spice to Shensia.
But I can't name, but when you say female, yes.
You're ready?
Yes.
All right, so for the people who don't know, please describe your music, describe your sound.
So I am very lyrical, and Vincent would say I'm very brawling because I'm from the countryside in St. Vincent and Grenadines. So if you notice, my patois is kind of close to the Jamaican patois.
Yeah.
Right. So some people would say brawling, but I think I'm lyrical and very expressive.
Okay. No man, I'm very get dealt with the stage. You're not gonna say I'm gonna put in clips of the performance.
Yeah.
And that was man, you did your homework and you did exactly what you set out to do.
Thank you.
Now talk about this now. You and Megan and Prince Harry hang out now. You go watch horse racing and dancing tea and come
from a nice designer, fashion mansion boutique.
Okay.
Right?
Jamaica from St. Vincent.
From St. Vincent. I brought her over here. Pick up my entire team, by the way. Right?
Big up the team now,
Pick up my road manager, Powers. Pick up my team, Gussie, and everybody who came here and ensured that I was secure. I must say, the Jamaicans are doing a really good job at ensuring that I was secure.
Yeah.
And if I want water, Gussie get up and go look for me asking.
Now, Sita, how the Jamaican men been treating you since you kind of been back? How them a treat you?
Every time we pass the road, I'm here, hey, Browning! Yeah.
Oh, that's it. You just love it.
Yeah, I just love it.
Alright, so before we go, we're going to play a game with name Last, right? Say just answer. Just answer loud the last time and you just answer me, right?
Okay.
The last time you had to cuss somebody?
I can't tell.
Okay, long time. Last time you cried?
Tonight, after I perform.
Oh God, last time you laughed really loudly.
Tonight, after I performed also.
Oh God. The last time you kissed?
Next question.
Oh, hold on. The last time you know, you got a little action.
The last time I got a little action, 3 years ago.
What?
Yes.
What? Yo, you know where us right now, you know, because the Jamaican man them hear that now, you know, I know everybody that is going to be on their 2023 goal. Sita, you just set up yourself. My gosh. While we're at it, can you mention your social media so that who might be interested in working with you musically or
musically?
Yeah, give them the social media.
So it's Sita Sita D Lyrical Diva, Sita D Lyrical Diva on all social media platforms.
Okay, that is it, you know, people support her because she really is about that life. She talk it and she have the talent to back it up. Yeah. Big up yourself, you know,
Thank you
Sita
so
D
much
Lyrical
for having
Diva.
me. Thank you.
No, man, my pleasure. You did well.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. All right.
We're ready to come mash up in here tonight. No! Listen me lyrics. Mathematics, physics, statistics. What study me formula and my logistics. Vocabulary, physicists, lyricists, this a dead penalty, trying to risk it. You brisk me, this me, brisk me, flip me, wrist me, vomit lyrics, no itch, no stick, no miss the target, me hit, no wish. Jamaica, me reach! You're taking from top low! Mathematics, physics, statistics, one study me formula and my logistics. Vocabulary, physicists, lyricists, this a death penalty, try no risk. You brisk me, this me, brisk me, flip me, wrist me, vomit me, rich, no itch, no stick, no miss the target, me hit, no wish, no shit, no glitch. Quick with lyrics, we hit like black magic. Lyrics no sell, me sell them like frisbee. Claims that them not them bad weapon Disney. Man see me shape and I act so this me. Spend all them money and still never kiss me. Me just a beat the beat like tree hammer. Lyrics and metaphor in my grammar. I don't you see me confused, talk summer. He say man a banger, man a banger, man a banger. You see my rifle, that's easy. Here say a female artist from St. Vincent I got the pan sting. Me see some Jamaican female artists run out. Amari says she have a plant me in my face. People, me can't tell you which plant can go to my face. If you want her to tell me. Listen to the lyrics. Only cloth to me face and the mask when me wear to protect my nose from COVID-19. Y'all marrow jump when you M1 pump parabellum just a sitting on your face like siren. Protect my nose from COVID-19. Y'all marrow jump when you M1 parabellum just a singing at your place like me a real bad girl. What could have take this stuff? Who could have tell she come intervene? No bad like me dog them from Spanish talk. I'm a little yard lizard we come from a field. Back in a goose meal. Car DJ I like shoes meal. Me lyrics them I have them like a toothpaste. Jamaica, this is fighting. Me gun ever day I work like this me sad and my girl, you're too brave. Me will kill you, bury you, dig you up.